Hello guys, welcome to today's edition of our class. In case you're just joining us for the first time, this is Cyberphobia Clinic by BrainHub Technology. In today's edition of our class, I shall be teaching you 10 essential desktop shortcuts to boost your productivity. Sit tight, relax, and let's get the ball rolling.
Cyberphobia Clinic by BrainHub Technology.
Okay guys, the next control key we shall be practicing is Ctrl Z. Now what does Ctrl Z do? When we press Ctrl Z on a particular selected item, we are trying to tell, okay, Ctrl Z is used to reverse an operation. Maybe the previously performed action, to reverse it, to undo it. Now remember, we have changed the position of BrainHub Technology from the previous position it was, and the position of this item from the previous position. Now if we want to reverse this action, what do? We have to use Ctrl Z. Guys, watch what happen. I will press Ctrl Z and see what will happen. Ctrl plus Z, Ctrl plus Z. You see what will happen? You see what is happening? You see what is happening? Guys, are you seeing what is happening? Are you seeing what is happening? So this was the original position of BrainHub Technology when we practiced the Ctrl X. And this is also, or this was the original position of this item before the Ctrl S was used. Guys, this is how to use Ctrl Z to perform. Guys, the next control key we shall be learning is Ctrl A. Now Ctrl A is used to select all. To select simply means highlighting a computer object. It could be character, it could be picture, it could be anything. So what do? You highlight to select. But when you press Ctrl A select all the object, all the item, either in a particular page, in a particular window, in a particular working environment. So what do? If I want to select only one of this, what do? I will press my left mouse button down and and select this, and drive my mouse to select this. I will press hold my left mouse button and draw my mouse pad to select only this. But if I want to select all, I will just use Ctrl A, and Ctrl A will do will select everything on that page. It could be window, it could be your work environment. So Ctrl A select all objects that are available or that are visible on that working environment. So guys, this is how to use. Okay guys, the next shortcut key we're going to be looking at is the Win plus E. Win plus E. Win plus E simply means window key or window button plus your letter E key. Now this is used to open window Explorer. Window Explorer. The window plus E keys are combined together to open the window Explorer. How do we do this? We press window plus E. Window E to open File Explorer. Window key plus your E key. You press down your window key and press your E key one time, and what happened, guys? You can see with this we can open our window Explorer, File Explorer, where you have all your files location. Your file location, you can see with me the quick access, the desktop, the download, and so on. So window key plus E is used to open window File Explorer. Okay guys, The next key we are going to be learning is alternate plus tab. Alternate plus tab. How do we perform this operation, or what does this operation do? When you press your alternate plus tab key, this is used to switch between applications or tabs that are open. Alternate key plus tab, when combined and pressed together, is used to switch between applications that are open or tabs that are open. How do we do this? We press down the alternate key first, and then we press our tab key. This is, you can see with me, these are the applications that I have open. These are the applications that I've opened, or the tabs that are open on my taskbar. So what happened? I can switch between them using my alternate plus tab key. 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 Guys, this is how to use your alternate plus tab key. Okay guys, the next set of shortcut keys we are going to be learning is Shift plus F3, which is used to change font case, and Control plus Shift plus greater than, which is used to increase font size. How do we do this? From the Shift plus F3, like I told you, that is used to change font case. What do? You select the object. First, I want to change the font case. Now remember, the font case include the sentence case, the lower case, the upper case, the capitalize each word, and so many other case. Now if I want to change this font case to the upper word case, now what do I need to do? I just need to press Shift plus F3 key. Now how to do that? You press your Shift key down and press your F3. The F3 is the function key. Well, the function keys include F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7 to 10 in a standard keyboard, and F1 to F12 in an enhanced keyboard. Is to what you need to do the Shift key down and press your F3 key. Are you seeing, guys? We have been able to change this font case to the upper case. Now the next one, all to lower case. The next one to capitalize each word, which means each of the word start with capital letter. Your change start with capital letter, your font start with capital letter, and your case start with capital letter. Okay guys, the next key we're going to be looking at is Control plus Shift plus greater than. I told you that this is used to increase font size. Increase font size. Now what do we do to perform this? We press the Control key. First, select the item. Want to change or increase the font size of this character, or of this sentence, or this word. What do? We press the Control key down, we press the Shift down, and we press our greater than key. Are you seeing with me? We are growing the font size, increasing the font size. Now to decrease the font size, what do? Still the Control key down, the Shift key down, and press your less than key. This one is used to decrease the font size. To increase the font size, Shift, Control plus Shift plus greater than, increase font size. To decrease font size, Control plus Shift plus less than. So guys, this is how to use this shortcut key to perform this operation.
Join me immediately on the next video with hands-on practicals. And we shall be learning 10 mass techniques to boost your computing skills and productivity.